How crucial is data governance in our rapidly changing data landscape? It's like asking how important a conductor is to an orchestra. Without the conductor's direction, the symphony becomes a cacophony. And so, we find ourselves in a similar dance with data governance, a dance that requires finesse, precision, and adaptability. In the grand symphony of data, organizations like conductors must guide their teams through the harmonious movement of data governance. Clear objectives, goals, and collaboration among diverse departments are the opening notes to this melodious movement. They set the tone for the symphony that follows. Change is the rhythm of this symphony, a rhythm that is not only inevitable but also necessary for growth. Just as a composer enriches a composition with new notes, organizations must continuously adapt their data governance frameworks. Agility becomes a key player, keeping the rhythm steady while ensuring that the principles of privacy, security, and compliance are never compromised. As we navigate the symphony, we encounter the crescendo of innovation. Technological advancements like artificial intelligence and machine learning become the new instruments, adding depth to our data governance practices. When embraced responsibly and ethically, these tools can unveil a wealth of insights, transforming the ocean of structured and unstructured data into a symphony of knowledge. The challenge of harmonizing disparate datasets scattered across various platforms and systems is akin to orchestrating different sections within an ensemble piece. It's about transforming the cacophony into harmony. Organizations must adopt robust integration strategies that unify siloed data sources, creating a cohesive melody that resonates throughout the organization. As our symphony reaches its grand finale, we must remember the importance of nurturing a culture of data governance. The engagement and commitment of every individual within the organization are the final notes that bring our symphony to life. By empowering the workforce through comprehensive training and clear communication, we ensure that each person understands their role as a custodian of valuable information. In the end, our symphony of data governance may be a composition in progress, but with each note we play, each decision we make, we move closer towards a harmonious future. The rhythm of adaptability guides us, while the melody of innovation fuels our creativity. And so we embrace the challenge like an aspiring composer yearning to create a timeless masterpiece, and we dance with data governance in our rapidly changing landscape.